Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Hell Let Loose. If you press any button it's not working or just stuck on the loading screen. I'm just going to share it into the video. So for this you can just make your way over to the Epic Games Launcher. Once you go to Epic Games Launcher, head over to Library, and then from Library just make your way over to Hell Let Loose and just go ahead and click on the three horizontal dots. And what you want to basically do is you want to go over to Manage and then just hit Verify Files. And what this basically does is that it just checks to see if there are any corrupt files. And if you do have any corrupt files, then it will basically just remove them and fix that issue. And then once next time you start up Hell Let Loose, you guys should be good to go. You can always do stuff like restarting your PC as well. And you can always uninstall Hell Let Loose and then reinstall it with the latest update as well. And then once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. That is how to fix the issue. I recommend restarting your PC as well. But anyways, yeah, that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.